Russia-Ukraine war, U.S. to send $400 million in new military aid to Ukraine. The aid package includes artillery, armored vehicles, and ammunition. The artillery will help Ukraine to counter Russia's long-range artillery, which has been causing significant damage to Ukrainian cities. The armored vehicles will help Ukraine to protect its troops from Russian attacks. The ammunition will help Ukraine to continue its fight against Russia. The new aid package is part of a larger package of military aid that the United States has provided to Ukraine since the start of the war. The United States has so far provided Ukraine with over $7 billion in military aid. The war in Ukraine is ongoing, and it is unclear how long it will last. However, the United States and its allies are committed to supporting Ukraine and helping it to defend itself against Russia. Here are some additional details about the new aid package. The artillery includes 18 155 mm howitzers and 36,000 rounds of ammunition. The armored vehicles include 100 armored personnel carriers and 200 armored Humvees. The ammunition includes 1,000 Javelin anti-tank missiles and 500 Stinger anti-aircraft missiles. The new aid package is the latest in a series of military assistance packages that the United States has provided to Ukraine since the start of the war. The United States has also provided Ukraine with financial assistance, humanitarian aid, and training. The United States is committed to supporting Ukraine and helping it to defend itself against Russia. The new aid package is a significant contribution to Ukraine's efforts to defend its country. Become a subscriber and get exclusive access to our content. We're more than just a channel, we're a community. Subscribe and join us on the journey. Thanks for watching.